I broke out of my head. Now then, how y'all doing? Colin here, and this is Shineautomotive, and we're back on with a camper. Haven't done an upload of one of these for a bit, so this is before coronavirus and a bit after. Well, I'm on my own with after. So what we're going to be doing is putting a skylight up there, taking the timber down, putting that roof ceiling up the top, then boarding the back of it, carpeting it, and then that's the bedroom nearly finished. So Kev's going to help me in a bit of this, but this was before the pandemic. So the skylights are 700 by 500, and I got it from AJ Horseboxes. They specialise in horsebox conversions, but they have a full shop online, so I'll put the link to the website down below. Check that out. If you're stuck with and need any advice, give Adam a ring at AJ Horseboxes, and they're dead helpful. Yeah, let's get taking the timber down now. Look how fast I'm taking that wood down. I think we'll roll some tunes on, shall we? Let's get some tunes going. I feel funny doing a voiceover for this, but we've got to crack on. Right, Kev's got a template, and the template actually comes on the box, so you just cut the template out, mark it out, and then that's where you can cut out. Hello. That beautiful sky. It's a lovely day. Oh, look at that guy, that beautiful Kev. He's a handsome man. So right, the skylight hole is cut out, so we're just test fitting. So basically, I've just cut back the gel coating on top of the fiberglass roof. So when we put the sealant down to bond the skylight down to the roof, it bonds really strong and it stops water from getting in. So it gives it a good key for the sealant to go off. So obviously before you glue it in, you need to make sure you want to scotch all the way around here. So get all the way scotched around there, and where we've ground out around the top as well. You want to clean it off with some thinners or some degreaser as well, or some panel wipe, something like that. So like I say, if you just get some degreaser, spray all around the edges once you've scotched it off, it just gives the glue something better to stick to. So do all around there, which I've already done. So I'll go all around the sides, and the same up to the top. Just clean it all the way around. All the way around. Good soak. That's that one. Woohoo! Now Kev's going to crack on making the timber frame for the skylight, so I'm going to leave it at this one now. I'm going to let the video roll because I'm waffling on far too much. There you go. All the glue squeezed out all the way around. Lovely jubbly. it's all boarded out at the back and insulated, ready for the carpet. The skylight's on and the cover's on. We had to extend the size of the skylight because obviously it's a deeper thing, so we just cut some bits of caravan board that I had from the caravan and we had to screw it up in each corner like that because there's no way of clipping it up, but you can't really see them, they're tucked out the way anyway. So, and it looks good. I wanted to use a totally different colour to break it up so it didn't look like it'd been just bodged up with something to try and match it, because I think you're worse sometimes trying to match the colour up. Cut the holes out. I didn't use a hole saw this time. I found it easier to mark it out the circle and cut through with a Stanley knife. So let's get the carpet up, and then that's the bedroom apart from the cupboards, which will come up in the next one, fitting the cupboards. So I'm well happy with how it's looking out. Ceiling's nice, it's all levelled up, skylight fits well. The main thing is obviously if there was ever a fire and you're up in the bedroom, you can get straight out. When you've got a lot of the sleeper pods and stuff, they don't have any access to get out. So there we go. Right, let's get the carpet chucked on. So let's time lapse it away. Well, that is it. Looks like a beach whale, don't I? Rest of the roof's finished, skylights in, all insulated, back wall's done, feed for the lights, but we'll do the lights in a separate one. Mind you, I've done one for the bathroom, the living room anyway, so that might just go on because it's pretty self-explanatory for the rest of it. So yeah. Hope you've enjoyed it. My race truck's coming on. Hopefully we'll be able to go racing soon, but we don't know. Hope everyone's staying safe. Let's have a look. Look at that. All carpeted out. It's quite hard to do because it's right liney, so I wanted to make sure the lines were all in line along the sides so it didn't look wonky. So I pre-cut it outside to nearest that it would be, so it looks well. So I'll get my mattress fired in. All the roof is done, skylights in, so yeah, happy days. So, on that note, we'll see you in the next one. Can someone come cut my hair? Oh, joke really, stay at home and stay safe, and don't forget, have a beautiful time.